In a small, forgotten town, a flickering candle brings to life stories of lost souls as it illuminates the secrets hidden in an abandoned mansion. As the locals whisper tales of the haunted mansion, a curious young man named Alex decides to uncover the truth, drawn by the enigmatic flicker of the candle that appears only on stormy nights. With each step deeper into the mansion, Alex feels an unexplainable chill as the flicker of the candle grows stronger, guiding him toward the heart of the haunted story, waiting to be revealed. In his quest, Alex uncovers a long-buried journal belonging to the mansion's last resident, detailing a tragic love story intertwined with betrayal and loss, all connected to the flickering candle. Just as the truth begins to unfold, the candle flickers out unexpectedly, and Alex feels a cold presence envelop him, forcing him to confront the restless spirits bound to the mansion's sorrowful history. Faced with the haunting apparition, Alex realizes that the flicker of the candle is not just a beacon. It is a call for help from a spirit trapped between love and betrayal, compelling him to uncover the truth.